Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's October the 23rd, 2022. We are going to talk about the stock market crash update. Yes, I know many of you all have been seeing on mainstream media, even on social media. Everyone is talking about the worst crash in American history, in the global economy. Everything is fearful. Everything is bearish. Everything is scared. Everyone doesn't know what to do. Let's talk. We're going to look at the charts for the Dow, the NASDAQ, and S&P 500. You guys can already see on a weekly basis that I am bearish into the market in S&P 500, but we may actually see the market run up. Yes, I'm going to continue to keep this price prediction on the chart, right? You guys can see it right here for the S&P 500. I got one on for the NASDAQ, even for the Dow. Now, what occurred last week is reflecting that there's a little bit more emphasis of pushing these indexes higher. Now, I'm still going to expect in the long term these markets going down, but in the near term, we may actually see these indexes go up. And would you not want to capitalize on each of these moves? Of course you would. So let's go ahead and do this real quick. I'm looking for these three indexes to go up. Yeah, in the near term. Now, I'm going to keep these price predictions here, but I am going to drop another one for the near term. All right. So we're going to play the near term move into the market in these three indexes. I'm looking for them to go higher. Now, you guys can see I got this downtrend line. Could we see the market run back up to these downtrend lines? Of course we can. But I'm not really looking for that because I understand the overall direction of these three indexes is down. So I'm not going to be that massively bullish. Now, zooming in on this price chart, one area that I can see the market in the S&P 500 running towards is around 3910 or 3900 points. Okay, right around that area would be my first price target in the S&P 500. That's the first one. Okay, 3900 points. My second one would be up here towards 4000, which is like 6% move to the upside in the S&P 500. Now, should we just keep one price target on the market for the S&P 500 for 3,900 points? Yeah, we could. And just let the market give us that 3.25% and move on? Yes, we could do that. Let's see the market here on the 2 weeks real quick though. You guys can see this here, that over the last 2 weeks, the market in the S&P 500, right, definitely endured some selling. Like selling went on the last 2 weeks, no doubt about it, but the market was able to close at the high of the bar. So I think we may want to bring up our second price target to around 4,000. What do you think? Look at this on the 3 weeks. Okay. It seems to me like the market in the S&P 500, like some of the market participants is becoming a little bit more bullish, like they're pulling a little bit more risk into the market on the S&P 500. What do you think? I'm going to bring the support area into the market in S&P 500 around 3,400 points. Okay, so we got two price targets on the table. Now, we're going to continue to keep the long-term one of looking for the market S&P 500 to go down on the table. But near term, we're going to look for the market to go up in S&P 500. First price target is 3,900 points. The second was around 4,000. Okay. So let me extend this one out. Let me extend the long-term one out a little bit further. And this short-term one closer, because we're looking for that to happen a lot faster. Okay. So that is the S&P 500. Let's go ahead and run and do the NASDAQ real quick. So let me go ahead and extend this out first. And we're going to look for the market in the NASDAQ to go up as well. Okay, so let me put this on a weekly chart. And we're going to do that. The first price target is going to be right here, around 12,000 points. Okay, 12,000 points is the first price target in the NASDAQ. And then the second one is going to be around 12,280. Okay. So got that for the NASDAQ. Let me bring this down just a little bit further. Okay, now let's go ahead and do the Dow real quick and we'll be done. It's not hard, it's not easy. I mean, it's not complicated, it's not difficult. Let's run to the Dow real quick. Extend this out. Okay, and we're going to extend this downtrend line. And then we're going to put on a price prediction in the near term, looking for the Dow to run up. And that first price target, I think you guys can see it already. It's going to be around 3,200 points. That's the first one you guys see is around 2.9% profitability. The second one be like 32,600, which is around 4.83. Okay, now I think you guys can tell from the three indexes that the Dow is probably a little bit stronger than the other two. Okay. I'm going to bring this in closer. So now we got two price predictions going on for these three indexes. The longer term one, yes, I'm still leaning towards the market as being bearish, but the near term, I'm looking for the market to go up. And I've given you all price targets for each of these three indexes. Let's go back and listen to it, and we're going to see how high the market's going to be able to go. All right, because the market is not giving us any stories. It's not telling us any lies. It's the truth. You guys can see right here over the last 3 weeks, the market in the Dow closed at the high of the bar off of what occurred the previous 3 weeks. So we still saw the market recover. So people are trying to put on some risk into these indexes. So I wouldn't be surprised to see the market run up into these three indexes. So you guys can already see this is it. This is the Dow. Okay. This is the NASDAQ. Okay. And this is the S&P 500 right there. All right, so let's see what happens. What do you think? Are we going to see the market run up? Are we going to see the market run down? What do you think in the near term? So to me, let's put on a time. Near term would be in the next month, next 4 weeks to the next 6 weeks. So the next 4 to 6 weeks, where do you think the price in these three indexes is going to go? Where? Let us know. Okay. So let me go ahead and run this back to make sure everything is straight. Everything is copacetic. All right, got it. So let me know. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.